Good evening from here in London. So just in the closing bell on Wall Street, we have seen equities finish in minor negative territory for the day. Looking back on the session, they did open up around 10 handles higher for the S&P as they gained overnight following some positive EU economic data and improvement in risk sentiment over in the Eurozone. This gave a boost to the equity market futures. So however, at the closing bell we saw a very minor sell-off. However, price action was largely contained ahead of Bernanke's conference. We've had fairly light US economic calendar today in regards to data. However, that Bernanke conference has just gone, and there were some quite big comments there that we saw as Bernanke said that the US growth is disappointing and that further accommodative measures may be necessary. So quite a downbeat conference there from Fed's Bernanke, and this saw US equity futures give up their earlier gains to finish in negative territory. So they did fall around 10 handles into the close. So the S&P did finish around that 1285 level. So a pretty dramatic drop there. So we also saw some fairly volatile moves in crude as well, as we've seen the US dollar index weaken all day. However, some comments from Fed's Bernanke that he will look to support the US dollar in the medium term. In the press conference, saw a little bit of an uptick in the dollar into the close, and it did weigh very slightly on euro dollar as well, which is coming off those earlier highs. So that's about it from us for the evening and for that Fed's Bernanke conference update. Looking forward tomorrow. We do have a 10-year note auction out the US as well as those DOE inventory data as well. So that's it for the evening. We hope you have a great night and we'll see you again tomorrow.